Alright, today I am going to attempt to replace the spark plugs. This whole intake tract just is only held on by a couple of bolts. You take that out and then you can get your hands in there easy. But what about the other side? Well, I guess the washer bottle comes right out, unclips, and then you have a big void. So I'm going to start pulling stuff apart and see if I can stick some new spark plugs. And with all that intake stuff gone, suddenly this engine bay starts opening up. And there's the two plugs that can now be taken apart. A little bit more of a problem I've just discovered. So that's my ratchet. I have the thing that I just checked on the spark plugs I have that this is the right size. But that doesn't matter. Because as it turns out, I don't have a long enough thing. That doesn't... Yeah, that's not long enough. So, I guess I won't be doing spark plugs today. Okay, I was able to find another extension that fits. I had to go dig through my dad's tools and such in the shed. So let's see if I have a long enough wrench to work on this now. Alright, this is the plug that came out, the one on the right. The one on the left is the new one. These look, I think, pretty similar. So that should work. Well, you can see, at least I think that looks like a larger gap. And also I figured out, because those spark plug holes are deep, so I went and grabbed this thing that has a magnet on the end, and I was able to get that out. Oh crap. Alright, I'm going to try to hand thread that in. Yeah, hand thread that in so I don't cross thread the boogers out of it. So, yeah, we'll see if I did this right in a few minutes. It's time like these where I kind of wish I had some sort of power ratchet or something. Make this go a lot quicker. There it is. Ooh, it's got some goo on the end. That one there is plug number 2. Similar condition. And yes, this is a steel-bodied car. A little bit less space to work with compared to the other side. This is going to be even more fun. Job well done, I suppose. And like a good egg this time, I won't leave anything under the hinges to bend the hood when I go to close it. Well, it made it out here. So I think I did it right. Test drive half complete, now I just need to get home. I think that's at least doing the plugs wrapped up.